Tears, those shimmering droplets that escape our eyes, are a fundamental aspect of the human experience. They are a universal language of emotion, capable of conveying a vast spectrum of feelings, from sorrow and pain to joy and relief. But have you ever stopped to wonder why we cry? What intricate biological and psychological mechanisms underlie this fascinating physiological response? Tears have captivated poets, philosophers, and scientists for centuries, inspiring countless works of art, literature, and scientific inquiry. While their significance in human communication and emotional expression is undeniable, the science behind tears reveals a fascinating tale of intricate physiological processes, evolutionary adaptations, and the profound interplay between our bodies and minds. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of tears, exploring the anatomy of a teardrop, the different types of tears and their unique purposes, and the intricate brain mechanisms that trigger this powerful emotional response. We will also unravel the chemical secrets of tears, examining their potential stress-relieving properties and their surprising role in fostering empathy and social connection. By understanding the science of tears, we gain a deeper appreciation for their complexity and significance in our lives. Tears are not merely a sign of weakness or vulnerability, but rather a testament to our shared humanity, our capacity for empathy, and the intricate ways in which our bodies communicate our innermost emotions. Every tear that we shed originates from the lacrimal glands, a pair of almond-shaped glands located just above each eyeball. These remarkable glands are constantly producing tears, even when we are not crying, to keep our eyes lubricated and protected. Tears flow from the lacrimal glands through tiny ducts that open onto the surface of the eye. From there, tears spread across the eyeball, forming a thin film that keeps the eye moist and removes dust, debris, and other irritants. Excess tears drain through small openings called puncta, located in the inner corners of the eyelids. These puncta lead to tiny canals called canaliculi, which carry tears into the lacrimal sac. The lacrimal sac acts as a reservoir for tears, collecting them before they drain into the nasolacrimal duct. This duct, also known as the tear duct, is a long, narrow tube that runs from the lacrimal sac to the nasal cavity. This is why our noses often run when we cry. Excess tears overflow from the lacrimal sac and drain into the nose. The intricate network of lacrimal glands, tear ducts, and associated structures ensures that our eyes are constantly bathed in a protective and nourishing film of tears, safeguarding our vision and maintaining the health of our eyes. While all tears originate from the lacrimal glands, not all tears are created equal. There are three types: basal, reflex, and emotional tears. Basal tears keep our eyes healthy and lubricated. Reflex tears flush out irritants like dust and smoke. Emotional tears respond to joy, sadness, and other emotions. They involve complex emotions and brain activity. Their purpose is still being studied, but they may help regulate emotions and reduce stress. Crying, particularly emotional crying, is a complex physiological response that involves intricate interplay between the brain, hormones, and the nervous system. While the exact mechanisms that trigger tears are not fully understood, research suggests that the limbic system, the emotional center of the brain, plays a crucial role. When we experience an emotionally charged event, whether positive or negative, the limbic system, particularly the amygdala, processes the emotional significance of the event. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure deep within the brain, is responsible for processing emotions, particularly fear and sadness. If the amygdala perceives the event as emotionally overwhelming, it sends signals to the hypothalamus, a brain region that regulates many bodily functions, including the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary bodily functions, such as heart rate, breathing, and tear production. The hypothalamus then activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the branch of the autonomic nervous system responsible for the rest and digest response. Activation of the parasympathetic nervous system leads to a cascade of physiological changes, including a slowing of the heart rate, relaxation of muscles, and stimulation of the lacrimal glands, resulting in the production of tears.